Understanding buying behavior in retail stores is essential for driving growth, and this Power BI dashboard brings all the key metrics together to guide your decisions. By leveraging key performance indicators, KPIs, businesses can identify trends, uncover hidden opportunities, and address challenges with precision. These KPIs serve as a roadmap, enabling you to measure success, monitor progress, and implement strategies that deliver tangible results. The Buyer's Insight dashboard provides a comprehensive view of buyer activity through its detailed performance indicators. Sales metrics such as a $75.60 million sales amount and $7.07 million in profit give a clear picture of the business's financial health. Customer insights are equally revealing, with a total of 4,252 customers. Among them, 603 are new customers, showcasing your ability to attract fresh interest, while 131 frequent customers emphasize loyalty. However, 138 lost customers highlight opportunities to refine strategies for retention and re-engagement. Productivity metrics add another layer of analysis, covering 12 products and 24 brands operating across 9 cities and branches. Efficiency measures like 2.04K sales per SQFD, an average basket size of 1.00, and a 17.22K average transaction size shed light on store and customer engagement. Together, these metrics offer actionable insights to enhance efficiency and align your strategies with customer preferences. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.